What are the functions of the different parts of the brain? The brain controls everything we do. It sends electrical information along the spinal cord and nerve fibers to various parts of our body. The nerve fibers also carry electrical information back to the brain. Different areas of the brain control different parts of our body. The largest part of the brain is called the cerebrum or forebrain. The brain is divided into two hemispheres, the left and right. The left hemisphere controls the right half of our body. The right hemisphere controls the left half of the body. Each hemisphere of the brain is divided into four parts. The frontal lobe controls our language, problem-solving skills, movement, personality, and emotions. The apex lobe is where we process sounds and store memories. The parietal lobe is where touch, temperature, and pain are processed. When people talk to us, this is where we recognize objects and process information. The occipital lobe processes what we see. At the back of the brain is our cerebellum or hindbrain. The cerebellum controls our balance, posture, and coordination. The lower part of the brain is called the brainstem. It controls functions we don't usually think about, like breathing, sneezing, coughing, swallowing, and our heartbeat. In the middle of the brain are the pituitary and pineal glands. The pituitary gland secretes hormones that control many different body functions, like our growth, the production of sperm and egg cells. The pineal gland secretes melatonin, which controls our sleep. Around the brain, we have a set of bones called the skull, and some membranes called the meninges. The meninges support and protect the brain. A clear fluid called cerebrospinal fluid flows between the meninges. Cerebrospinal fluid, or CSF, is produced by the tissues that cover the walls of the brain. Cerebrospinal fluid flows around the brain and spinal cord. It protects the brain and spinal cord from injury and provides nutrients.